TV Urdu. Okay, TV Urdu
Yeah.
Okay.
खातून शॉपकीपर हैं और इनसे ज़रा बात करेंगे.
My name is Raja Hasiba.
Do you know about the Pakistan?
Oh yeah, of course.
बीच पर हम मौजूद हैं. यहाँ पर जो है शॉप्स जिस तरह से हमने आपको दिखाई हैं, खातून शॉपकीपर हैं और इनसे ज़रा बात करेंगे. पहले तो अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
Welcome salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Yeah.
अच्छा, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेल मी योर नेम प्लीज.
My name is Raja Hasiba.
Raja Hasiba.
Yeah, but no Raja.
Raja, yes, they are the kings. Rajas are the kings in. Yes.
Yes. Raja
Okay.
Hasiba. Yes.
Okay. Where are you from? Do you live here?
Yeah, I'm from Johor. I'm local here. I live here. I live in Desaru.
Desaru here.
Yes.
How many years you are staying
I've
here?
been here for more than 15 years. I've
Masha.
been running this business more than 15 years.
Okay, you have you are doing the business here.
Yes, I'm
What are the things you are selling here?
Family business.
Okay.
I share with my daughter, my son. So it's just a small family business.
Okay.
Yes.
Family business.
Yes.
Okay. What are the things here you are selling?
We're selling hats, sand toy, dresses, shorts for the swimming suit and all. What do you call that one?
Boats, swimming boats.
Yeah, yes.
And
Swimming board.
toys.
Yes.
Toys for the kids.
Yeah, for the kids.
Ah.
And anything about the kids, anything to do with the kids.
Okay.
We have a swimming suit for the kid.
Yes.
We have shorts.
Many things you are selling.
Yes.
What are the prices as compared to market in Kuala Lumpur and Johor Bahru?
We're selling it for very cheap. Yeah, we're selling it for a very cheap price.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
I think so, yeah. Yeah, we're selling it for reasonable price.
Okay, come here.
A reasonable price.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Do you know about the Pakistan?
Oh yeah, of course. I have a few friends from Pakistan. They work here. Most of them work here.
Yes.
Work with the Desaru coast. Okay, we're friendly. One of the Pakistani worked with me during. He opened the shop for me and closed the shop during the evening.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Good. It's a good thing. And what would you say about the relationship between Malaysian and Pakistani people?
I think so far so good. There's no problem between Malaysia and Pakistan. They are very good in relationship between both countries.
Yes. And I visited Kuala Lumpur and many things here. It's really beautiful.
Any other beaches in Malaysia?
No, this is the beach is my first here.
Oh, this is your first beach in Malaysia.
Yes.
Oh, there's so many beaches, very beautiful beaches in Malaysia. You should go to island. You got so many islands here. Beautiful island.
I will come back again inshallah next year, and then I will stay for 1 month.
Oh, you're coming back next year for
This trip is only for 10 days, and today is my last day.
Oh, today's your last day. Oh,
Yes.
what a shame, eh? You should have came here earlier.
Yes.
Came over earlier, yes. So, what about your country? Can you tell me about your country? Is there any special place that we can go, we can visit?
Pakistan is the whole Pakistan is a special place. You can go Karachi, Islamabad, Lahore. I am from Karachi. Okay, it's the biggest.
Oh, you're from Karachi.
Yes.
Okay.
It is the biggest city
Biggest city in Pakistan.
in Pakistan.
Pakistan.
And Malaysia's population is 34 million.
Around
And only Karachi city has the more than 30 million population.
More than 30 million population in Karachi itself.
Yes.
Then what about the rest of the country?
224.
Oh, 24. Oh,
Yeah.
Indonesia 300. Oh, it's bigger.
Yeah, it's a biggest country and biggest population. Okay, but I visit the Malaysia. Malaysia is very beautiful.
Thank you.
Whole Malaysia.
Thank you very much for the compliment.
Yes.
You only been to Kuala Lumpur or
Yes,
any other country in Malaysia?
I was in Kuala Lumpur and yesterday I came here in Johor Bahru.
Yeah, you should.
And today I came here Desaru beach, and I'm talking to you, and tomorrow I will leave.
Oh, you will leave from Kuala Lumpur. You going back to Kuala
Yes,
Lumpur?
yes, I will.
You take a flight from KLIA?
Kuala Lumpur, yes, KLIA.
Okay. How many of you?
Only
Only
I can.
yourself
Yeah,
alone?
yeah.
Oh, I see. Okay. So, what do you want to ask me anymore? Anything? You
Okay,
want to
I want to know about the Desaru beach. How many people come daily here? And average, I will ask you the average in a month. How many people come here?
Saturday, Sunday, okay, quite good. But weekdays like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, not many people come over. So only Saturday, Sunday.
Saturday, Sunday are the more people come.
More people come on Saturday, Sunday, public holiday.
Okay.
And public holiday. Yeah.
Okay. And
Because
yes.
they work during Friday. They're still working on Friday. So Saturday, Sunday.
Saturday, Sunday, more people comes here, and we can find the rush of the people here.
During public holiday, the Hari Raya.
Okay.
Yes, Christmas, Chinese New Year.
Okay.
Yes, we can. Yeah.
And what about your business, your sale?
Okay.
Overall in country, Malaysia, can you tell me about how is the business now today's?
Okay, so far so good. But especially weekdays. The rest of the like Saturday, Sunday, public holiday, the business are very
You see, okay, your business is very good on holidays, because people comes here.
They come
A lot of people come here in these days. But I'm asking about overall Malaysia. Do you know something about how is the business here?
That one I have no idea about that. I just.
ओके थैंक यू वेरी मच थैंक यू वेरी मच ये जो है मलेशियन खातून जिनकी शॉप है इनसे हमने गुफ्तगू की और कुछ जो जानने की कोशिश की यहाँ के बारे में। तो यहाँ पर लोग जो है एंजॉय करते हैं छुट्टियों में, जिस तरह से उन्होंने बताया बहुत ज़्यादा, और छुट्टियाँ जब होती हैं तो इनकी सेल भी यहाँ पर बढ़ती है।